Hello students, I am Shumana Mojumdar and I am from Gyanmarg. All the engineering aspirants right now at this present moment are talking about JEE Mains, JEE Mains. Most of the people know, okay, JEE Mains is the entrance examination that has to be given to get admission to multiple engineering colleges all across India. But how exactly to give the exam, when is the exam, how to fill up the forms, what are the documents needed, what are the criteria. There are a lot of complexities because this is a all India level examination that is conducted by NTA, National Testing Agency, which conducts JEE Mains every year. So like every year in 2026 as well, JEE Mains is going to get conducted in 2 seasons, in 2 phases, season 1 and season 2. JEE Mains season 1 is going to be held in the month of January. So we around have like 1.5 months or 2 months only left for season 1 to be conducted. The exact dates have not yet been declared, but it's going to be conducted between January 21 to January 30. And we know that JEE Mains gets conducted in multiple phases. So today in this video, I am going to tell you, or I am going to give you all the details about JEE Mains 2026 that have already been officially announced by NTA. Okay, so first we need to know which is the official website where we will get all the details about JEE Mains. So the official website for JEE Mains by NTA is jemain.nta.nic.in. This is the only website that you should be following for all the updates if you are a JEE Mains aspirant of. So firstly, season 1 examinations, which I already mentioned that it will be conducted between 21st to 30th January. So the application forms for this season 1 of JEE Mains 2026 is already live. Where you will get the application form? You will get this in the official website jemain.nta.nic.in. It is an earnest request to every student or every aspirant, please do not fall or please do not follow all the third-party websites which give multiple information or which say that they will fill your application form for you. Instead of your application form getting filled, your data will get shared with some third-party agency. So go ahead to this website and you will directly get a link saying Candidate Registration Form 2026, where you need to click and fill your details. But before filling the form, you need to do certain other steps. So before you fill out the application form on the NTA website, few other things you need to know. First thing is updating your Aadhaar card details on the NTA website or uploading it in prior. What will it help you? It will help you to get rid of any discrepancy in your name spelling, date of birth discrepancy or any other details that might conflict with your existing class 10 or 12 documents. One more thing to specifically mention over here, JEE Mains or NTA has taken a step this time that if there is any discrepancy in your name or date of birth or gender details between your Aadhaar card and your class 10 certificate or class 10th mark sheet, you have a chance to correct that or correctly fill or choose which one to be used for your JEE Mains application form. So you need to be very much vigilant about this step. There will be a separate video showing you a proper guided step-by-step process as to how to update your Aadhaar card information, how to fill up the application form. In this video, we are going to give you all the details which JEE Mains has started giving since 29 September 2025. So the first notification about JEE Mains 2026 was published by NTA on 29 September 2025. And from there on, there have been total 5 to 6 different notices out on the NTA website. All the notices you will get in the bulletin in jemain.nta.nic.in. Now the main information about JEE Mains examination, be it season 1 or season 2. JEE Mains is going to be a CBT based examination, computer based test. So you are not going to fill out the MCQs on a paper. You have to give the examination sitting in front of a computer. But let me clarify it for those who do not know. or do not know or have any idea about JEE Mains, it's not that you are going to sit in front of your laptop or desktop or computer at your homes. You will be allocated centers. You have to report to centers, and there you will be sitting in front of a designated computer as per your application number or your roll number of JEE Mains and give the entire examination. So in a way, it's going to be an online examination, computer based examination and MCQ examination. We will come to the syllabus, to the details about the examination, last few papers in the series about JEE Mains 2026, which will be upcoming in our channel. In this one, I want to tell all the students about the SC and ST or OBC category certificates that you need to keep handy or keep ready if you want to opt for the JEE Mains in the category section. So along with updating your Aadhaar card in the website prior hand, in case you are a category holder like an SC, ST, OBC or any other category, you need to make sure that you have your category document ready with you, and you have to upload it prior on the JEE Mains website, which is jemain.nta.nic.in. The link to upload the category certificate, the Aadhaar card information is already present in the JEE Mains official website. In case someone wants to opt for the category under JEE Mains but does not have their category certificate handy with themselves, they still have few days' time before the closing of the registration date to keep it ready or make it ready and fill up the application form. Now that I mentioned that you need to report to a center and then give the examination, so many students might have this question that whether there is a center in my city or not, or do I have to travel to a faraway city to give the examination. Now that I mentioned that you have to report to a center to give the examination, तो स्टूडेंट्स ये तो सोच ही सकते हैं कि मेरे सेंटर में या मेरे शहर में एग्जामिनेशन पड़ेगा कि नहीं, सेंटर पड़ेगा कि नहीं, डू आई हैव टू लाइक गो टू अ फार अवे सिटी टू गिव द एग्जामिनेशन. तो आपको उसका भी टेंशन नहीं करना है. देयर इज अ वेबसाइट examinationservices.nic.in/jemainx2026/examinationcityview.aspx. आप पॉज करके ये लिंक देख सकते हैं, इसका एक सेव कर सकते हैं, स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं. पर ये वाला जो साइट है ये आपको डायरेक्टली इस वेबसाइट से भी आप इसका लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू हियर, आफ्टर कमिंग टू दिस वेबसाइट यू नीड टू फिल योर कंट्री, योर सिटी or your state, and you need to fill the question paper medium, and you will get the list of all the centers where JEE Mains 2026 is going to get conducted. जैसे अगर आपका स्टेट है, आपका कंट्री है इंडिया और आपका स्टेट है वेस्ट बंगाल, तो जैसे ही आपने ये सिलेक्ट किया और आपको एक कैप्चा फिल करना पड़ेगा, और क्वेश्चन पेपर मीडियम से हमने इंग्लिश सिलेक्ट किया, तो जैसे ही आप ये फिल आउट करेंगे तो यू विल गेट अ लिस्ट ऑफ टोटल 16 डिफरेंट सेंटर्स जहां पे JEE Mains 2026 वेस्ट बंगाल में कंडक्ट होने वाले हैं. JEE Mains क्वेश्चन पेपर इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी अवेलेबल ओनली इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. तो आपको उस चीज का डर नहीं है कि अगर इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आता या मैं इंग्लिश मीडियम से नहीं हूं तो मैं JEE Mains नहीं दे सकता. JEE Mains क्वेश्चन पेपर इज गोइंग टू बी अवेलेबल इन 4 डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस, इंग्लिश, हिंदी, बंगाली एंड उर्दू. सो अगर आपने किसी भी इन चारों मीडियम में से पढ़ाई किया है तो आपको टेंशन लेने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. JEE Mains 2026 एग्जामिनेशन आप दे सकते हैं. सो एग्जाम देना है तो ज्यादा टेंशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अभी भी 2.5 months है. सो ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, ऑल द एस्पिरेंट्स, you keep doing your preparation how you were doing. Just take a small pause, make all the documents ready. So अगला वीडियो एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस के बारे में आने से पहले तक जो जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स मैंने बोले, आधार कार्ड, आपका कैटेगरी सर्टिफिकेट, एंड इफ इट इज यू हैव अ UDID कार्ड एप्लीकेबल, देन कीप ऑल ऑफ दैट रेडी, मेक ऑल ऑफ दैट रेडी. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो हम आपको सारा एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस और स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस गाइड करने वाले हैं, और अपना प्रिपरेशन कंटिन्यू कीजिए और हम लोग के चैनल ज्ञान मार्ग एडमिशन को फॉलो कीजिए, सो दैट यू कीप गेटिंग ऑल द लेटेस्ट लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स अबाउट JEE Mains 2026. आपको कोई भी थर्ड पार्टी वेबसाइट या थर्ड पार्टी जगह पे फॉलो करना नहीं पड़ेगा. Only and only follow the official jeemain.nta.nic.in website and follow our Gyanmarg admission channel on YouTube and on Instagram to get all the updates and understand the advisory that is being released by NTA. Thanks a lot everyone.